Beautiful people, welcome back. Guys, today we'll be making a drink on stronger erection. So what we'll be needing is ginger, tiger nuts, data, and coconut. Okay, so we'll be needing water. So let's get started. First of all, you have to add your tiger nuts to it. Then you add your ginger. This is your coconut. You add your coconut to it. Okay. You add your tiger nuts to it. Okay. What other ingredient we'll be needing is just water. Okay, so this is just once to go, which is to be what you can take once or twice. Okay, so the next part is we are going to blend these 4 ingredients together. As you can see here, we have the ginger, the tiger nuts, the data, and the coconut. Then we have the water. Okay, so let's blend them together. Yeah, as you can see, it has been blended. So when you finish blending, you have to filter it. So depends on what you use. I use this, I use any other filter, but because it's a nut, I prefer to use this one, which will just take away everything, so you have the juice to take. Okay, you can see everything here. We're nuts. Almost everything in here we're nuts. So make sure your hands are clean. Okay, this is it. Take this morning and evening. Tested and trusted. Thank me later. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time. Stay blessed. Bye.